This method only works if your illustration has dark outlines. Go to Select, Color Range. Select Sampled Colors. And click on the color of the outline of your illustration. If you select White Matte for the preview, you can see what's selected. Adjust the fuzziness until you only see the outlines of the illustration. Add a layer mask. Add a solid color layer. And make it white. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the illustration. This next step is only needed if your outlines are not fully black yet. Select the layer with the illustration, and add a levels layer. Move the left slider to make the outlines fully black, and the right slider to make the whites completely white. And that's how you convert an image to outlines.